In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Wix. If you're someone who prefers a dark-themed interface, perhaps to reduce eye strain during late-night sessions, or just because you enjoy the aesthetic, this step-by-step guide will be perfect for helping you make the switch. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Wix.com. If you're not logged in already, make sure to sign in with your account details. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the Wix dashboard, which is essentially your control center for managing all your sites. Now locate the option that says Select and Edit Site. This button is usually prominently displayed towards the middle of your dashboard. Clicking this will take you to a list of all the websites you currently manage with Wix. Choose the site you wish to modify by clicking on it. Doing so will direct you to a more detailed settings page for your selected site. Once you're there, look for the Design Site option. It's usually placed as a shortcut in the navigation menu. Selecting this will funnel you straight into the visual elements and design options for your website. This is where the magic happens. With your Design tab open, you'll then need to transition to the Wix website editor itself. You'll find this by either a direct button labeled Go to Editor or by selecting Edit Site. This will open a new tab, specifically the Wix editor, where you have full control over the design and features of your site. In the Wix editor, direct your attention to the Site Design section, located typically on the left side of your screen in the toolbar. This is your gateway to customizing the look and feel of your website. Click on it, and a menu will expand, revealing various design-related options. Next up, click on Theme. This is the section where you can explore different themes and, more importantly, toggle between light and dark modes. Themes often encompass a complete set of typography, color palette, and layout options for your site. After clicking on Theme, look for the option to enable dark mode, typically found under Color Theme Options. Here you will see a small toggle or button labeled Dark Mode. Click on it to activate the feature, and immediately the preview pane should update to reflect the dark theme. Finally, ensure you've clicked on Connect to apply this theme change, committing it to your site. If satisfied with the preview and changes, hit Save to ensure everything is stored, and then Publish to make your newly darkened site live for everyone to enjoy. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to switch your Wix website to dark mode. By following these steps, you can create a more visually pleasing and user-friendly experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.